Hey there, this is Sarah. Here's how you can print parent progress reports if you'd like to attach these to report cards to demonstrate the growth of each student over the course of the school year. You'll log into Learning Genie, you'll click Data Hub, Assessment Report, DRD Report, then scroll down to Parent Progress Report and click. It takes a minute to load. From here, you have two options, a domain view and a measure view. If you click this toggle button here, show child's data during different assessment periods, it'll populate with their fall score or winter score or rating, and then where they are now. For the measure view, it looks like this. And then for the domain view, it looks like this. So you have fall, you can see this particular student grew here, and then there's also a little note as well. So just another option to share more information with families. You can also toggle over to Spanish to get this in Spanish. Then you go to PDF and pick what you want to download, and you can do a batch individual child's parent progress report to print them all in one download. Hopefully this helps. Thanks.